So with all this artificial intelligence talk, I thought to myself, can artificial intelligence actually create home decor? I'm not gonna lie, I am quite the skeptic. I'm very old school. I'm not into all this AI generated stuff, talk, whatever. I'm just like, however, the other day when I was playing with my xTool machine, my P2, I noticed this little button that said AI. So when I saw the AI button, I thought, do I try this? What does this do? So I clicked on it, and apparently you put in a very detailed description of what it is you're trying to draw with the laser, and it somehow takes those keywords in the description and generates a picture. So what did I type? I typed in old world pottery with olive branches, still life, and it generated a fabulous picture. So here I was in the software, and this is the picture it generated. So it generated an image. We were able to throw it in to the laser, and it created this picture. It's amazing. A lot of people go online to look for images to create their laser decor. And I have to tell you, this kind of took all the hard work out of doing all the searches. You just put in your keywords in the description, and boom, it generates a picture. It was quite amazing. So you guys, we've been having so much fun with this laser machine that we actually brought it from our other house to the log home, and it was such a beautiful day. We thought, let's throw it out on the deck and let's make some decor. So that's what we've been doing today. It's been so much fun. So we had to run into town for something, and we passed a Goodwill, and we thought, we need some frames. We need some interesting looking frames. And so we ran in there for $8. We got 3 or 4 frames, and now we came home. We're generating images to make our own wall art. So we're having a blast. And you can see the P2 is rather large, but we just brought it in. We threw it on the patio table. You know, it's covered, so we're just having a blast out here today. So one of the first things I made is this letter K, and this is going to be for my daughter's dorm, and it's super cute, and I love it. It was done in a 2-step process where we cut out the circles, and then we did the border, which is the K, and then we pieced them together. And so at this point, we can paint, we can spray paint, we can add yet another backdrop. We could put it in a picture frame. Sky's the limit, but I think it's adorable. So I made this before we came to the log home. I am very much into botanicals for summer, and this was super fun to make. It's just a bunch of leaves, and then you poke out all the little pieces, and this is what you're left with. Now at this point, I can get some colorful board or paper to put behind it. I can spray paint it, I can paint it. I can get a picture frame. I could do a fancy matting or a fancy frame with glass. And you know, like I said, sky's the limit. Art is whatever you want to make of it. Okay, so with this next picture, what I did was I stained this board, and then we did an engraving and cut this out and then framed it. And I think it turned out really nice. Now these next two pieces we made today, and I love how they turned out, and I'm going to be decorating with them here in the log home, probably in the basement, maybe this week. But anyway, let me show you what we did. Okay, so in this picture, I took some pine and engraved a big rectangle around this. I don't know if you guys can see. And that was to sort of give it a border and some depth and dimension. And then I got some wood veneer and cut out this image, and then I glued it to this pine board. And I love it. And then I added this black frame, and it has glass. So I love how this turned out. So basically I'm starting out with a black frame. I took the glass out. Then we engraved a rectangle. Then we cut out this. And now we're gonna place this botanical piece right there and then assemble. So I wanted to make one that would go with it, but one that was slightly different. So again, same concept. If you guys can see, I did a border, and this is yet another botanical that was cut out, glued to this board, and I just placed it in this frame. So now I have a set of two. So I saved the AI generated image for last. So here we go. Last but not least, my first AI generated artwork. Do I claim this as my artwork, or does the computer claim it? Let me know in the comments below. You guys, we've entered a whole new world of home decor. AI generated home decor. And I have to say, I love this because it has almost a vintage feel to it. And I love the frame that I picked out at Goodwill. It fits in here perfectly. Love it. Thank you once again, xTool. I am having a blast experimenting with all different types of wood, veneer, and different backdrops. I mean, sky's the limit. I will have xTool's promotional links in the description box below. They're still extending their Father's Day special. So again, everything will be down below. Thank you guys for joining me on my little pop-up video. DIY artwork at its best. All right, guys, I'll see you Wednesday. Bye, guys.